Vibe coding will never be the same. Rork just made text-to-app real. You type an idea, and it builds the app. Fully functional. Zero code. Delivered in minutes. This isn't a prototype. These are working apps. Let me show you 10 wild examples, with prompts, features, and how to try them. Rork takes your idea, processes it, and spins up a live app with working UI, logic, and in some cases AI-powered backends. It's like ChatGPT and Bubble had a genius baby that doesn't ask you to drag and drop anything. Let's start with some of the craziest builds I tested. 1. Tinder for friends. Swipe, match, and make new friends, the classic UI, but for platonic connection. 2. Custom character AI. Build and chat with your own personas. 3. AI homework solver. Math, science, writing done. 4. StyleShare for gym fits. Snap your gym outfit, log progress, and share it daily. 5. Vegan calorie tracker. Track plant-based meals with smart portioning. 6. MaxBeauty glow-up guide for women. Style, skin, wellness, all in one app. 7. AI date idea genie. Built for girlfriends of busy guys. Smart, cute date plans in seconds. 8. Instant AI grader. Perfect for teachers and tutors. Grades physics or math work instantly. 9. Pet translator. Type your pet's behavior. Get translated needs and moods. Works shockingly well. 10. Mood-based restaurant finder. Feeling spicy, sad, celebratory. This app finds food that matches your vibe. Emotional UX is real now. All of these were created using nothing but a short text prompt. No code, no UI work. Just type, generate, launch. If you can imagine it, Rork can probably build it in under 10 minutes. If this blew your mind, like this video so more creators find it. Share it with someone who has app ideas but no dev team. And subscribe for more crazy AI tool demos like this one. Because the next generation of developers, they're not coding, they're prompting. See you in the next one.